And meanwhile, what's up, my love? What's up, my love? You doing okay? Poor little thing. The other puppies come and bounce on the bed, and Monty rolled over on her little leg, and it made her say, ouch. Yeah. Yeah. I just can't be rough and tumble like the other ones. It's just not me. Such a good girl. Yes, her a good girl. Okay. Would you like to go potty? You want to go potty? Doris, you want to go potty? Go outside, go potty? You want to stay snuggled in your blanket? You want to come? You want to come? Go outside? Okay. I tried. Poor Booty. I don't know why everybody got a hump on me. You want to come? You want to come upstairs with? You want to come see? Come on. Go see Doris. Go see Doris. Yeah, y'all can hang out and be the two old Oh, I know where he wants to go. I know where you want to go. Yes. Okay. Come on. Yes. Look, I finished the elephants. All but this. Because now there's all the stuff that needs to be done on the expansion project because well, other than rain, it's day camp time. Such a sweet angel. Such a sweet angel. I like being under my covers. I like it. What? Yeah. Although you are kind of taking up the whole bed again, so I don't know where Rudy could... Oh, Rudy's fine on the nice soft carpet. Yeah. You're fine on the nice soft carpet. Cash, I don't trust you yet, so you. You. What? I can put up the barricade. Come on, Cash. Come on. Cash. 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 Come. Cash. Come. Rudy, get out of the way. Rudy. Turn around. Thank you. Oh, goodness gracious. Come on, Cash. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Nap, 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 nap. There you go. Curtain means off limit, Booty. There. Now you can both go outside. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can both go outside. And Doris will be safe. Yeah. Sweet girl. Now that was perfect timing. We just came in the door. And that could be all we get. But still. Okay, hang on. Wait, Monty, come. Come. Good boy, Andy. Wait, Monty, come here. Good boy. Oh, there you go. Now don't lay on her. And say hi to the boys. Oh, did Doris hear the thunder? Yeah, I don't like thunder. I'm very anti-thunder. Okay, Monty, if you're going to be up here, you stay behind her, okay? Don't hurt Doris. Don't hurt her. Hi, Munchkin. What do you think, Cash? Watch out. I got to close the door in here. Dewey boys. Andy! Well, he's not growling. That's good. Have you decided to be friends? Have you decided to be friends? Are you going to play with Indy? Booty. What are you doing, Booty? What are you doing? Oh, apparently, Indy can clear this quite easily. Yep. Yeah, I don't know why she put that there. I don't know. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're not being punished. It's for your own safety. What do you think, Cash? What do you think? You want to be friends with Indy? He's pretty chill. Yeah, he's a chill dude. He could be a really good friend for you. Wee boy. Okay, I have to work on videos. Yes, I have to work on videos. You be nice. Be good boys. Be good boys. You okay, Doris? Are you okay? I know you hate the rain and the thunder. Are you okay, Monty? Oh, yep. Come here, Angel. Come on. Can you help me? Come on. You want to come down? Or do you want to, you're safe up here. You're safe. Come on, my angel. Oh, yes, you're my angel too. Doris. Doris. She doesn't like it, Monty. Come on, Angel. Come on, my love. Come on. Let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. I know, that's very scary. Very scary. Yeah. Come on. This way. No, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on, my love. But I'm very frightened. Come on, my love. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Oh, Doris. Come on, my love. I can't carry you. Honey, I don't know what to do for you. I don't know what to do for you. You want to hop up here? Hop up on the bed. What? What do you need? What? You want to come look? Look. Look. See? It can't get you. It's outside. Come on. Come here, my love. It sounds worse up here. If you go downstairs, it's not as bad. Come on, my love. Come on. Doris, come. Doris, I can't carry you, Angel. Come on, let's go. What's up, Cash? Doris is afraid. Doris is afraid. Don't know what to do. I clearly wasn't videotaping with Cash growling again, just when I thought there was hope. Of course, now we've got thunderstorms in the mix and sleet, so, you know. Let's see if taking her little bed up will help. Yep. This is why I get paid what I get paid. Because this is the kind my love. Since you won't come down, I've brought you up a bed. Will you feel safe here? Yeah, what do you think? Here's your blankie. You want your cover? Here. Now you can cuddle up in it. You want to cuddle? Sweet angel. Okay.